How to make taskbar smaller in Windows 11. First of all, head over to menu and move into your settings. Right here in the left side of the screen, you're going to see the option of personalization. Head over to it. It will show you up this page. Now scroll down and head over to taskbar. So right now you are on the section of taskbar. First of all, you need to disable this option, pen menu. Once you have disabled that option, here inside taskbar items you'll get to see the option of chat. You also need to disable this option. Likewise, you can also disable these other taskbar items. Now if you tap on hide, search box, you will get to see different options. All you have to do is tap on hide. There you can see that the taskbar has been smaller than before. Well, that's it, and this is simply how you can make taskbar smaller in Windows 11. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.